Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I am going to be a tutorial. It's going to be a tutorial on how to make a data pack. So the things you'll need is a text editor. You can use Notepad++, but I recommend something like Notepad++. You're going to need you won't need mCreator, or you could make the data pack with mCreator, but I'm not going to do that in this video. So here's what we're going to need. This is not required, but this is going to be. So we need text editor and pack.mcmeta. If you know how to make if you've made resource packs before, you'll know about pack.mcmeta. This is my example resource. This is my example data pack, and we're going to create our data pack. So this is my template right here. I will put this template in the description. But first, you need to create a new folder, and you want to name this folder whatever your pack is. So let's say this is tutorial, and yeah. Okay, now we want to make something called pack.mcmeta. Now, what we're gonna do is we're actually just gonna get this pack.mcmeta from here, so we don't have to rewrite the code. I'll put the code in there in the description. But basically, you want to create a text file, name this pack, and then the extension .mcmeta. And then you want to create a new folder called data. Name the whatever you want here. I recommend just naming it the pack name, which our pack name is going to be. It's going to be tutorial. And we can create a lot of stuff. We're going to do a tutorial series on data packs. And this one, we're going to name this folder functions. We're going to be going over functions this episode. If I did this spelling wrong, I'm just going to go here to data, functions. I'm just going to copy this. Okay. Okay, so we can now go back to tutorial, data, tutorial. Delete this and paste the new one just in case. Shoot. Forgot to copy it. Okay, so we need now, we're going to put our functions folder. So we're going to create a new folder called functions. And now we can go put our functions in here. Now you can name this function whatever you want. Maybe name it simple if you really need it. I recommend just calling it whatever you want. So, it's not a folder. One sec. I need to delete this. Rip. Okay, now we're going to basically put a new text document. Name it whatever you want, but have the extension dot and then MC and then function. It needs to have .mc function extension, and then we can make this name whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it my data pack, and let's edit it with Notepad++. So obviously we're gonna put hashes. That's gonna be comments. And you can give your data pack something like this. Make it a little bit more fancy, or do whatever you want. Basically, you can put text in here, like just gonna put that there. And let's just do this because why not? Oops. Doesn't really matter if you do this or not. But I'm just gonna skip that. So now we're just gonna make something called. We're just gonna do this. You don't have to do this. You can just put your commands. Okay, so now we're just gonna. You don't have to do this. Once again, I'm gonna say that. But you can. What the heck is going on here? Okay, I know what's going on. It's being a little. Okay, so now it should be. And it wants me to send it to Cortana. I don't know why it's being like this. Okay, here we go. You don't really have to put this commands thing here. I just want to put it there, because why not? Okay, now we're going to put all the commands we want to run in here. So, /give would work. And execute this command when this function is run. And this data pack will create a function. So let's create a function that just gives you a diamond. That would be on loop, so now let's take one of our functions in our other data packs. Because I have no idea really what I want. Okay, let's take my lightning bolt update, which data pack, which is my tutorial one, or my test data pack. And basically, we're gonna go here, paste this. This is going to run at first. Now, right after that happens, it's like an order. So this would be order 1. This would be the first command it would execute. You note you don't have to put a slash here. It just runs it. Okay. Actually, we'll show you how it works out in the next episode. But this is command 1. For instance, we can do recipes in the next episode. But I'll also show you how how this works. I'll show you it works in the next episode. Okay, bye bye.